Hello friends, God bless you and thank you for stopping by my channel. On today's video, I am doing a demonstration of a product that was sent by me from a seller on Amazon. And this product that you see me unboxing is called the Joy Mop. Friends, in this Joyful Mop bucket, you get the mop and you get 3 microfiber pads. And this is also including your bucket. And this is a wet and dry mop bucket. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this. And please do subscribe. Friends, please be patient as here you see me trying to figure this out. And like I said, the mop is inside the bucket, so I'm just trying to figure out what's all in this bucket. Now this bucket also has a separation for your water because you can use it for wet and a dry. So it's a separation panel inside of this. You can't see it, but when you put your water in it, it'll separate the wet from the dry area. To assemble the mop together is very easy. You just connect it together. And guys, all you do is take it and just turn it and tighten it. It's just that simple. Now there are instructions in it, but I just kind of wing it. But there are instructions. And to connect the mop paddle to the handle is just so simple. Just connect it, turn it, and lock it. And the microfiber pad is already on the mop paddle. And friends, these are the extra pads that you get in your package. Now these are washables, and here I go showing you the instructions. But guys, I always like to wing it before I pick up those instructions. Friends, here's the handle to move it around. It's very easy. It's not too heavy to move around. Guys, I have my water in it and what I'm using to wash my floor with. And it gives you a max line. It shows you how far to go with the water. Now, this is the wet side and this is the dry side. The wet and the dry side. And this does come off also. If you want to remove this for some reason, this gray, the connected part, it does come off. So friends, here's how the Joy Mop works. As I'm demonstrating this, I'm just letting you know now you will not be able to turn or slide this in any other way. It only goes in one way. I did the wet side, and this is the side I'm doing now is the dry side. And it's just that simple. The paddle is very flexible. I love this because when I was doing this, see how it gets in those corners and turn. So I guess I see now why it calls it the Joy Mop. It's so convenient. And friends, I'm letting you know it's so easy. Like if you have to clean up under the bed or furniture and you don't have to move things, this little mop can go under your furniture. I have already tried that also. So this is right on time because my floor definitely need a good cleaning. So I'm just showing you guys how good these microfiber pads work. Oh my gosh, look at that. These floors was really dirty, weren't they? So this is amazing. Friends, if you're new today and you enjoy these type of cleaning videos, I do so much more things on my channel concerning my home. Guys, I would love for you to subscribe. I thank you so much for helping me to grow, and thank you so much to all of my faithful returning friends. God bless y'all, and I truly appreciate you. Friends, because this JoyMoop is so flexible, I want to share with you what else I found out it can do. It can clean your walls because this handle is so movable. I'm telling you, you'll find out when you get in these corners, it'll turn, it's flexible. It cleans your wall, your floors. Friends, especially if you have white walls, you need this. Friends, this is my final step. I'm going to add my Pledge Floor Shine back to the floor. And this even better than using my regular spin mop. I like this. So I thank them so much, this company, for sending me out this JoyMoop. Friends, to let you know, it works on hardwood floors, laminated, and even tile. Guys, you know the holidays is coming around, so this would be a great gift for someone. Thank you once again, and please don't forget to subscribe. Friends, if you enjoy cleaning videos, I am going to leave in my description box how I clean my oven without using any chemicals. Y'all have a blessed and prosperous day. Thank you so much from Penny, and know that you're too blessed to be stressed. Y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. God bless you. Love you.